Hi guys, thank you for visiting my channel. So today we will be doing a sewing project. We're going to make a headband and earring set. You will need fabric, scissors, elastic, a loop turner, which I have an alternative for, a sewing machine, and an iron. Don't forget your thread to match your fabric. And my alternative is a crochet needle and a safety pin. We're going to start out by cutting our fabric 17 by 5, and we're only going to cut one piece. So now that we have our one piece, 17 by 5, we're going to cut one piece to 8 by 3. So now we're going to cut our elastic. We need 6 inches of elastic. So now that we have our pieces cut, we're going to fold them in half, inside out, and then we're going to iron them. And after we iron them, we're going to stitch our pieces on the raw side together. Now that we have sewn our fabric, we are going to trim the edges, and then we're going to turn our fabric inside out. And I do not have a fabric turner, so I use my crochet needle to turn my fabric inside out, as you can see here. And I also used it to pull the elastic through the smaller tubing. So I'm going to attach the safety pin to the elastic and slide the safety pin onto the crochet needle, and I'm going to pull it through that way. I'm sure it's an easier way to do it, but this is something that I felt like I just didn't want to stress about. So I just did it this way. And what we're going to do is stitch the end, leaving some of the elastic out after I finish straightening it up, that is. We're going to stitch along the ends, and we're going to do both ends that way. We have completed the elastic portion, so now we're going to just slide it through the ends of the larger tube, and then we're going to fold it and secure the fold with the pins. And then once we secure the folds, we're going to go and stitch it. And we're going to do that to both sides. So now that we have our piece together, I am going to try it on to see how it looks. And I'm going to straighten it out a little bit. But now we're going to go into our second portion of the video, which is making the earrings. The earrings you do not have to sew. You just need your jump rings, your fish hooks, I have lobster clasps, and your fabric and some glue. And don't forget the bracelets, the bangle bracelets. On to the earring portion. You will need fabric, scissors, iron, the bangle bracelets, hot glue, and your jewelry hardware. We're going to cut 11 by 4. We're going to cut one piece and we're going to fold it in half and cut it again. So then we'll have 2 pieces, and then we're going to take each piece and cut it in half. So then we'll have a total of 4 pieces. So now that we have our 4 pieces, we're going to start wrapping our bangle bracelet into an earring. We're just going to wrap around. I'm using this spray adhesive. I did not like it. I bought it from the Dollar Tree, but I just wanted to see if it worked. I don't care too much for it. But we are using hot glue to secure the fabric onto the earring. in the spots that it needs to be. So once I get that done, I'm going to take a lighter and just get rid of some of these sprays that's going on. I ain't telling you to do it, but that's just what I'm doing. So here I'm taking one jump ring and adding it to another, and then we're going to secure that with a lobster clasp, and then we're going to secure that with the earring hook. And that's it, guys, we're done. It's a super easy headband and earring set. It's very cute. I like it, and I hope that you will too. So thank you for visiting my channel. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials from me. Have a blessed day. Bye.